Let's see how to share songs with the new Add Yours Music sticker on Instagram. The Add Yours Music sticker lets users share their favorite songs, along with a prompt for followers to get in on the fun by sharing their own related tracks. In order to get this sticker, make sure you update your Instagram application to the latest version, since this sticker, as well as 3 other new stickers, are a new feature in the Instagram app. Let's share a song using this new Add Yours Music sticker. You want to open your Instagram app and then start by creating a new story. I'll simply add this lake photo, which I want to share with my followers. And let's say I want to share a song with this photo that reflects my mood. I'll tap on this sticker icon at the top of the screen, and this menu will show up. You'll see the Add Yours Music button, so you want to click on it. This Add Yours sticker will show up, and it works just like other Add Yours stickers that we have on our Instagram stories. The difference here is that we can click on the plus button in order to add a song to our story. When we click on it, it will open our music library, where we can select our song that we want to share with the story. I'll add a GTA San Andreas song, and when you do this step, you can now share the story with your friends and followers. It says here that anyone can use this music template in their own story, including the photos which we've added. This music template which we create can also be used even if our story expires. So when the 24 hours pass, other people can continue using this template unless you delete it. Other people can see that you've created this template, and if you do want to delete it and don't want to use it anymore, you can delete it from your story archive. And that's essentially how you can use the new Add Yours Music sticker for your Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on it, and I'll see you in the next one.